Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Finance Specialist. Viewers, in this video, I will talk about exponents and roots. I will explain exponents and roots with the help of examples and exercises. So let's start with our video. First, let's have a look at the rules of exponent. Viewers, when we write an expression such as a power n, it means that a is called the base and n is called the indices or the power. For example, if we have to write 3 power 5, it means we need to multiply 3 5 times, and this will give us a result of 242. We have some rules which we use more often while dealing with exponents. As you can see, these are the few rules. The rule number one, it says when bases are same, so we can add their powers. Rule number two says that when two variables are same but written in the form of x upon y, so we can transfer the variable in the denominator to the numerator, but in this case its power will become minus. The rule number 3, it says that a variable carrying a power and then a whole power n, so in this case the value, the power m, it will multiply it with the whole power n, so it will become a power m n. Similarly, if two variables have a common power n, so we can write a power n, b power n separately. The rule number 5 says that if we have two variables x upon y or a upon b and carries whole power n, so we can write it as a power n divided by b power n. Similarly, when we have a variable 1 upon variable, let's say 1 upon a, when we shift a to the numerator, so its power will become minus. And if we have 1 upon variable carrying power n, so it will become a power minus n. Similarly, any power which appears 0 or any variable which carries power 0, so its answer will be 1. The square root of a, we know the value of a square root is 1 upon 2, so we can write it as a power 1 upon 2. And if we have nth root, we have a variable square root which is carrying any powers, let's say n, so when we write it, it will become a power 1 upon n. Similarly, the square root ab can be written as square root a and square root b separately. And also, if we have a upon b whole square root, so it can be written as square root a divided by square root b. Similarly, if we have nth root of variable a carrying a whole power m, so in this case the power will multiply by 1 upon n, so it will become a power m upon n. This we can understand with the help of these examples. As you can see, we have a power 5 and a power 2. So bases are same, powers are different, so we can add their powers. So end result we will get a power 7. Similarly, we have a power 5 divided by a power 2. When a power 2 will go upside, it will become a power minus 2, and we can add their power, so it will become, since already power is minus 2, so it will become plus minus minus, the whole answer will come as a power 3. Any variable with 0 power, the answer will be 1. As you can see, a power 5 divided by a power 5, it will be cancelled and the end result will become 1. And here a power minus n, it can be written as 1 upon a power n. And in number 6, you can see a power m then whole power n, so we can multiply m into n, so end result will be a power m into n. Let's say we have a power 5 whole power 2, so this 5 will multiply by 2, so it will give us a power 10. And number 7, you can see that we have a power minus 1 upon n, so this can be written as this is not a minus, it is 1 upon n. So here it can be written as square root n, and then inside we can write a. So a square root power n. Let's have a look at the example. We can simplify the following questions. You can see x power 5 is equals to 144. So we need to remove this power 5 from x to get the value of x. So we need to take a power 1 upon 5 on both sides. So this will allow us to get this x without power, and on the other side we will get fifth root square root 144, and this you can calculate using a calculator. So this will give you 2.70. The next question is about to simplify. So this expression, we have this expression, we need to simplify it. Before solving it, we need to change this division into multiplication, and when we do that, so the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, as you can see over here. The next step, we will separate all the constant numbers. We have 3 upon 2 here, and here we have 4 upon 6, and then we put all the variables in order. As you can see here, we have in the numerator a, and in the denominator we have a square and a. So I will simply write a. There is no power, so it means there is power 1, and the variable in the denominator a2, when it will go up it will become -2. So obviously when we add their power, so it will become -2, and for this a it will become -1. So similarly the same operation I have performed for variable b, and the similar operation I have performed for variable c. So this will give us the final answer 12 upon 12 a power -2. B, it doesn't mention any power. The reason is that here uh, -2 and +2 will cancel each other, and 3 minus 2 will give us 1. Normally we do not write 1. So finally we will get bc square upon a square. Let's have a look at this question. We need to simplify this expression. Z power 6, z power 4 and y power 6 divided by z square and x minus 3 and y minus 2 multiply by 2x5z divided by x4 and y power 2. So the same thing, first I will set aside its constant first. So the constant we can write first, and then we can see here that we have a one variable which is x power 5. So it will become x power 5. Down we have a variable which carries negative power. When it will go up it will become plus. So here I have added it as a plus, plus 3, and the another x which is x power 4, when it will go in the numerator, so it will become minus. So I put all these powers, I've added all these powers together for variable x. Similarly for variable y, it will become y power 6. Then we have one variable y which is -2 and another variable y which is 2. So the variable y power -2 will go up, it will become +2, and the variable with power y2, when it will go up it will become -2. And similarly we perform the same operation for variable z. So finally when we simplify it, so our final answer will be 2x square, y power 6 and z power 3. Let's have a look at the another simplification question. We have 4a cube b divided by 3c power -2 multiplied by 3b square a divided by 4z square divided by b5 and then divided by 5a power -3 c cube. So as a first step we need to change this division sign, and when it will become multiplication, so these values will flip, and 5a power -3 c3, it will be a numerator, and b power 5 will come in the denominator. The same way we will have to keep all the variables separately. The constants, I have 4 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4, and this 5, as you can see that 5 divided by it should be 1, but normally we do not write 1. Even we can keep 5 as it is. So after simplification, this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, this 4 and this 4 will be cancelled, so we'll be left with 5 only. So here we can go in order. So first we start with a. We have a power 3, another a we have power 1, and then another a we have power minus 3, so we can add their powers because their bases are same. Similarly, we will do the same operation for b, so we have b power 1, power 2, and down we have b power 5. When it will come to the numerator, it will become minus 5. And for c we do the same, so here we have c power 3, and this c power minus 2, when it will come up, it will become plus 2. And down we have only one z square, we will transfer it up, and then it will become z power minus 2. So after simplifying all these calculations variables, so we will find this answer, that 5ab power minus 2, c power 5z power minus 2. What we can do, that we can shift b power 2 and z power minus 2 in the denominator, because as of now their powers are positive. When they will go in the denominator, their powers will be uh, positive. So viewers, I hope you would have understood uh, how to simplify the given expressions. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe to Finance Specialist by clicking the bell icon and select all button, so that you will be notified for upcoming videos. You can share your thoughts, suggestions in the comment section. If you want to access the whole list of my videos, so you can visit www.youtube.com/@finance specialist. If you want to communicate with me, so you can drop an email at the given email address, financespecialist99@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.